radio up, let's find that groove. Hit the highway, man, we're on the move. Got the beans and cheese all ready to go. With jalapeños, we like it bold. Out the window, feel the summer breeze. Engines humming, cooking with ease. We're rolling up to the picnic grove with foil wraps and a V8 roar. Gonna cook those beans right, oh so slow, as we drive just a little bit more. Feel the sizzle from the engine heat. That's burrito magic, oh what a treat. Pop the hood, let the feast ignite. Feel the hunger grow as the engine purrs. That's how we do it without a single stir. Wrapped in love, our burritos in foil, ready to savor after this joyful toil. Tall tales and tasty dreams, we're living bold. Cruising down the back roads, let the story unfold. Put the car in park and lift that lid. Grab your forks, it's the main event, kids. Taco Tuesdays can't compare to this. Engine cooked burritos, pure carb bliss. Our mobile kitchen's in gear. Flip those burritos with a smile and cheer. All those Sunday picnics done in style. Cruising and cooking for miles and miles. Watch the steam rise as flavors blend. Laughs and stories round every bend. Now we got toppings, time to lay it all out. Sour cream guac and some chips, let's shout. Friends gather round, it's a feast for sure. With every bite you just crave some more. Rev it up, our mobile kitchen's in gear.